Hey y'all. So I finally got a camera. Scratch that. Hey y'all. So this video is gonna be a little different today because I'm sitting down, obviously, you know. We need to have a talk. So it's been really long and hard, and I got a new camera. An actual camera that I could use. Let me hear the applause. So I'm gonna be unboxing this today. The price was, I think, $700. It is a ZV1-II. Can you see it? Yeah. You wish you could do that. I also got a thingy to upload everything to my iPad because I don't have a computer. I don't really want a laptop because I have an iPad, and they just technically do the same thing ish. And then I got this. So let's get into this unboxing. Got the manuals and whatnot. Do people even read this stuff? I probably need to read this because I've never had a camera before. And here's the camera. Isn't it cute? Come on now, damn it. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the battery. This is the battery. Yeah. And this is the thing for the wind, so you can hear me talking over the wind. Isn't it cute? It's real soft too. So now it's time to, what else is in here? Is there anything else in this box? I think we need to charge the camera first.
Boom!
Come on. Oh, I wasn't putting it in there right. Now we're gonna unbox the SD card. To all my family and friends that are watching this, you can start getting me these for birthday and Christmas. You know, I'm probably gonna need some scissors, of course. Be right back and all. Snip. Yeah. Some of y'all know. Dotted line right now. I asked my brother if I could have his camera, but he was being funny, so.
Bitch.
I mean, I still might go to where he reside and, you know, take it. He probably won't even notice. He don't even watch these videos, so he wouldn't even know. How the hell? I don't want to keep cutting and cut too far. You feel me? Open this thing. Uh-oh. I got it. At least I think I do. Come on. There we go. So I think I put, what is this? Put this inside of this. Yeah. How have you guys been? It's been a while since I made a video. So I think I put this in here. Like I said, I think. Do I put that in here? Is that how it goes? Oh, I got it. So how do I take it out? Once I put it in there. So that's how you do it. And now it's time to start with my charger. Hopefully this is the right one. Honestly, I could just use my iPad charger. Probably gonna use it. Literally, they didn't give me no charger. I'm supposed to have one. Ooh, it's on. Somebody always texts me. Just 1 second, y'all. I'm about to connect because you know I'm still using my phone. I'm about to connect my phone to this. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got everything set up now. Isn't it cute? Now let's see. Let's see how we do this. Oh, I'm gonna put the wind thingy on first. Possible. Come and beat me if you wanna reach me. Yeah. Yeah, me and Kim go way back. Oh, let me get the manual. Everything that I just recorded was not recorded. So now, I'm about to show y'all again. So yeah, this is the camera. This is the wind mic. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all the camera quality on the camera. Be right back. So this is the quality of this camera. I guess it's good. I'll have to see. So yeah, I wish I can do comparisons, but I don't know how to do that type of stuff yet. But at least I can have my phone now. I need to stop looking at this. I need to start looking at this. At least I can have my phone now. But yeah. Now I can do what's on my phones and stuff like that. It'll be so much easier. Let me know the quality and let me know the sound. If it sounds good, just let me know. Because I know a lot of you will let me know. Because I know how y'all are. Y'all like to tussle. Y'all like to tussle. Like, be for real. You like to tussle. T-U-S-S-L-E. Tussle. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, now I'm gonna unbox this bad boy. Do I need a box cutter? No. There we go. I'm probably gonna take the camera outside to see how it actually looks outside from me sitting right here. So remember, just let me know. I mean, I don't care if you let me know or not, I'm still gonna use it because I paid for it. Hello? Whoop. Oh, this is cute. It's for my iPad. You know that you always can call Kim Possible. Can I just pull this through? Call me Big Man if you wanna reach me. Whoop. This is how I'm going to be exporting my videos and all. This is cute. I think Patrick got one of these, but it's Lightning, and the new iPads have USB-C. So yeah. So this is what it looks like when I'm outside. Remember to let me know if it's cute. Let me know if you can see me. Oh, I thought that was a snake. So yeah, just let me know if you like it or not. It's really bright out here though. And I have it on Cine something. And I can't turn it off now because I already turned it on. This is where I'm going to end the video for today. It wasn't very long. I was just doing an unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Stay woke.
Just the way you lie. You say I'm